Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to tag someone on Twitter. So in order to do that, let's first open the Twitter app, which right now is the X app after the latest update. So of course you'll have to be logged into your account in order to do that. So the first thing we'll have to do is, of course, we'll have to create a new post on our Twitter account. So in order to do that, we'll have this little blue icon at the bottom of the page, and I'm going to tap on that icon right here. So what I'm going to do is just type in right here something like, let's say I'm going to type in hello, and then I'm going to tag the person that I want in my post. So I'm going to hit right here the add button, and then I'm going to insert the username of the person that I want to tag, which let's say it's Elon Musk. And then I'm going to continue my post, and let's say I'm going to insert how are you. So as you can see right here, if the name turns blue, that means you tagged this person on your post. So what you'll have to do next is just post this on your Twitter account, and basically this is how you can tag a person. So this is all for today, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.